which is Bole MP. Bole MP statement about Kyebi for. So in general, Achim for. Ebusian for ade ba kwa me pe ama brabom these tribal issues. Because myself being an Ewe, I've had my fair share of how these tribal comments or tribal comments can really pierce you down to your soul. I remember said that one day I was on a live and somebody said, enye MP Pianka, I before omuhu your friend is saying asfada. When the person said that, even though me MPP ninu, asem eyamiya pa. So I really didn't take it kindly with that person on the live. That was last year. So about tribal issues are, you have to be careful how you speak about it. More so, when you are from a different tribe and you want to make statements, you must be careful the kind of statements you make. You must be careful. But this thing that this tape I'm going to play to you, I do not really blame that MP. Even though he is coming from the same hometown as John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. Because he has learnt it from John Mahama himself. We were all in this nation when John Mahama, His Excellency, was calling Achim Sakawa boys. And we kept quiet. It was cool. It was fine by us as a nation. So because of that, now they've been emboldened to say more. To say more. Let's listen to the tape in question, and then we will continue with our conversation. So this is the tape from the MP for Bole in Parliament, right? This is what he said.
The man Mahama has not done anything for the people of Kyebi. He provided them with potable water. If John Dramani Mahama has not done anything for the people of Kyebi, he provided them with potable water when indeed they were drinking water with pigs.
What is the offensive word?
He said the people of Kyebi, you are not the one presiding. The people of Kyebi were drinking water with pigs. He made that definite statement. And well, if granted that he wants to stand by that statement, then he...
Again, let's listen.
The man Mahama has not done anything for the people of Kyebi. He provided them with potable water. If John Dramani Mahama has not done anything for the people of Kyebi, he provided them with potable water when indeed they were drinking water with pigs.
So, Ebushanfo, that is the MP for Bole. The MP for Bole in Parliament, during his submission, said that if John Mahama has not done anything for the people of Kyebi, he provided them with potable water when they were drinking water with pigs. Pig. Say preku. And say, I think the tree of pig air preku. Please let me know in the comment section if the tree for pig is preku. Now, Papa Rich said the speaker should have insisted he retract his useless comment. I agree with you. Yeah, preku. Should I say, someone out here MP for Bole or see Achim for Omuni preku nenum nsiobum. And he said this on the floor of Parliament. And he did not apologize for it. Meanwhile, when somebody said, sit down, daughter of a murderer, they made a whole case out of it. They made an entire case out of that statement. Sit down, daughter of a murderer. But an NDC MP can be bold enough to say, people who are coming from Kyebi drink water with pigs. Sometimes you must be fair. You must be fair. Say, Anka akanibi neko kasasem. Efa yen numa more bole one. Like there won't be peace in this nation. The kind of things we would have heard. So if you are calling for equity, you must have clean hands. Such silly statement. And sometimes, utinasa ojun ubisa who say, how do such people even manage to become MPs? And obiti say we papa okasa no say I for omune epreko nenu musio boom. How did they manage to become MP? Obiti say we no, there is no way obey MP or MPP mu. Primary school me picking no on picky for. Because there's some beer in him. And I'm not surprised, he is coming from the hometown of John Mahama, His Excellency. It shows. Meanwhile, baby, you are talking about potable water. Where you are coming from, where the area that you are MP over. Your people are now in Ivory Coast begging for food. Yeah, his people are in Ivory Coast begging for food. Ntokwanti. You have not thought about that. But you think Akufo-Addo's people, you can throw shade. Now, why are we free balling? When did you see electricity grow for the first time? When did you see electricity for the first time? You see some of these statements, we must discourage it because the more you go into it, the assembly bow mind wemu. The assembly bow mind wemu. If they're to be abroad, or an advanced democracy, assembly papa weka okay we pay resignation letter as MP. Because people like him do not have a place in parliament. A nation that has been in existence over 60 years. One of the biggest economies in Africa. A person like this MP, Bole MP, does not have a place, should not have a place. So what I will look for it right now and show. But one thing I can tell you is say, Ufa Kyebi picture, township, a crown picture, and Bole picture. I think recently I saw a documentary about Bole. I was shocked. I was shocked that this is a place that a whole president has come from. And mind you, that president, he has been MP there before. With the MP, by 2 terms. I said 3 terms, 3 terms. Yeah, with the MP. But even the way Bole is still right now, you will wonder, say, Ebrana John Mahama, His Excellency, or your MP or Bole, no, you're dang. No, you're dang. Ebra obedi o mampeni 6 months. Then another 4 years. He didn't do anything substantial in his hometown. Look at the state of Bole. And then we have this one that has come to parliament. And he will not come and say anything sensible. Let's listen to the tape again. Such a damning statement.
What is the offensive word?
Because he said the people of Kyebi. The man Mahama has not done anything for the people of Kyebi. He provided them with potable water. If John the man Mahama has not done anything for the people of Kyebi, he provided them with potable water when indeed they were drinking water with pigs.
And you see the life of NDC MPs. NDC for they always see themselves as more human than any other person. They always see themselves as people who have feelings. They pay that have feelings. They are the only ones that have blood flowing through their veins. You see that when he said that Kyebi 4 were drinking water with pigs, you heard how people around him, MPs around him, were laughing. They saw it, they found it funny. And yes, sir, they found it funny. But when somebody says, sit down, daughter of a murderer, there, you want to cut off the person's head. Calling somebody daughter of a murderer, and this one that I said human beings were drinking water with pigs. Which one is more damning? Which one? Which of these one is more damning? You've reduced human beings to the level of pigs. And you said it in a house of records. And I was expecting that the first deputy speaker, Bernard Ahianfo, who is coming from Akachi in Volta region, should have known better. He should have known better. He of all people should have known better. Minority did not have to protest that statement, because Bernard Ahianfo, coming from Volta region, knows how these tribal comments sometimes affect we Voltarians. He knows. So the moment somebody tries going down that path, that person must be called to order. Bernard Ahianfo knows that very well. But because Oyeni party Nintino sees nothing wrong with it. Interesting times ahead, eh? Very, very interesting times ahead. Very interesting times ahead. Let's keep power tapping and sharing the live.
Yahwine, NDC mu. Everything for me, church, I'm in Ampamacho one, Sabekan video, Mepese, Ube forward the video of Kevin Taylor. Mestre forwarded Kevin Taylor when he found Kevin Taylor Braha. Mary Bwedu na matter say yes, when your position, no me pamachompe, me kaka Ghana phobi, moi a refree, a woman huntemono, me pesa me kaka mo. Usamo kaka Mary Bwedua or no se oko political party we muna se hwanye ya. Na wakoha no wakoha. Mary Bwedua odi John Domani Mahama tem bitterly. Edidi Kevin Taylor tem bitterly because Kevin Taylor was speaking about Kennedy Japan. Mary Bwedua odidi NDC atem degrade NDC to the bottom say away Bawumia and say winning. Or call Bawumia side anye yamano no be sen call Kennedy Japan side. And then Mary Bwedu say or ye wine ewo NDC mu. Minuano ma mu tie mie. Me pese munye mwasopa na mutie ni Mary Bwedu eka. Muntie ni Mary Bwedu eka. Na muntie na munche se Mary Bwedu wei e na ye kan se wanya position na na.
Mane sample bidina na enya fresh when DC for adwene mu. Wodi ma do krontia. Because me baba retire John Mahama.
Osi oba retire John Domani Mahama. We ye Mary Bwedu na okasa no amanfo. Moma ye ntie.
Me retire John Mahama next year. We will retire John Mahama. Me to say DC as a political party.
Muntie.
I'm sorry. I'm out. To be membership card.
O tete de ne hoko Mary Bwedu eye
to be membership card.
O tete ne membership card mu.
I'm no longer a member of the NDC. Enough is enough. Me I'm joining here. Me I'm send me hoko.
O si ono ano joining ye ono ade ne hoko Mary Bwedu eye opportunist. Me so ye political ono ani party members MPP for ne two ni so ye political harrot or ye political tutu okoha na nye yama na oye greedy as hell. Yem papa John Domani Mahama eyi obaby edi greedy woman or siso nya 1 million. A master Mary Bwedu does not belong or has a space ewo NDC be biara. Mary Bwedu should not be even part of enkoswo a ene NDC eye no omo kunye ema genuinely omo pese NDC ekọ anim NDC na oba Ghana yeye NDC na ba odwene mabunu ho odwene Ghana ho ene obitimi stop say yemehwe Mary Bwedu is an opportunist or ye political tutu ono okoha okoba wumia side na anye yama na no okọ Kennedy Japan ene NDC force sen ye wa ha na mo we Kennedy Bawumia aid ebe snatchye ewo we Bawumia so and NDC for kukuru position the man is as still say you love being in a company of your enemies. Mu enemy kosi san entade NDC for omo kosi san mo ho a no ma betina mo ntem no ma asase ni mu didi afede omo nya mu wie te se de so we yenya Samson na afede na mu kam na mo ba be beside the same people omo be gina ho a mo mfi omo no na mo sign edi adwantoa anasa mo pe campaign hwe mame kan asem bi wa ha NDC for must stand up. Enough is enough, okay? Because yeti ha na sami jemfi ekoma gra desika ye wa ha na yes ye frefre TikTokers omo a content creators as say this content we choose the subject when we want to create content with. So this is a content we create content. We use politics and we pick a political way party specifically and ye di create content. But omo fra content creators no omo gina mu edi we NDC creative content no omo se there be ni oba be tweke ni oba be gina ho didi John Dramani Mahama tem e no mo ye content creators enne yesi yama Mary Buedi we onenam ha ko ha we position what didi yang atam ame Toronto hanom ya tumidin e mankrofo bi mo pese bi mo chiri mi e wo Toronto hanom. It's not as if say you have done anything because of NDC. Because of NDC into mo pa kire say mo ankasa with the diaspora group na muntimi en keep no way proper muntimi ncca mo ko say ni wi na mo say they have a problem no NDC for. I am saying this again. You have nothing for the political groups now. Omo mami we onye juma wa brochi. Ana ye magana me emesi mu kon ho kwa te se quacks te se dogs no. Ye ma me ye gbe te se nkokon maninti no. You don't think say the people who fought with you are the same people that should work with you. They are people. Some say what you want yeden. Me amete Canada ha me yeden. Mo kwa marry sa abayo o kan ye ejimanyini sine ne bebre ba hwe nanim omo boni omo ye ntihwe omo abo amre wantem enti to me no it is unfair say nkofo bi mu eba be gina ho omo play police hwe young boys hwe Canada ha ye hia mo ama yen brother baako Canada obi odi na bra bottle ho risking life ma MPP for dey abapa be jam no ma ni moto organize operation save the ballot from Toronto Hanomo Ghana at the ex-commandos eco protective ballot Emma MPP for at the above Bruno yet the emergency or the bar Toronto Hanomo eco da hospital for 3 days and then in that galley we are trying to get the embassy ha obaya no belusu ni fie nso kan ho because obana pamono he me kan kire mu biomo obaya no belusu and the NDC for no they rather dine with their enemy tina bebre no we don't stick together as a group as a team inti ene no instead of say yebe fight yama nipa baako at the time they don't want to do that inti ene young brother Gali is still on the street obi o woni whole house mutimo den fucking mutimod asem way ehime number 1 because obi hiam wa minim enye say ope position say we Toronto Canada ya sheda so omra but NDC for team den intino you rather see a stranger me say 2028 won yankasa no mo ka kire ya na ye debunk this saying NDC MPP nye the same and this thief like this harlot like political harlot like this away greedy people no mo say Ghana ma in position there ye betcha 2028 we need to see the people we know we recognize we work with working with you people me say eye akoko bini kura na mo pese mo pepa wo Ghana give it to the people who fought with you not the people who goes jump ships from here and snitch on other people and bring information to you instead of say mo ma omo bibia mo no na mo de mo aben mo. No American political serious institution will work with any snitch. Mom forwarded this video na nkoma omo say NDC for ni nyina ye ba be ye ba ko in the diaspora way no na ye make sure say NDC they recognize and respect and value the NDC diaspora group no, because this is getting ridiculous. Enough is enough. Someone say into Mr. Me sure say John Dramani Mahama or depending on the people he has elected and he has brought close to him to work with to do the right thing, they will not give Marie any position. May God bless you. Everything for me cheche mu nyina mpamcho wan nsa beka video mepese ube forward the video of Kevin Taylor mesre se forward it Kevin Taylor wo hefa Kevin Taylor bra Mary Boadu na mate se yesi wanya position no mepamcho mpese mekaika Ghana fo bi mo am refrie ewo mo ho ntem no mepese mekaika mo se mo kaika Mary Boadu a ono no se okọ political party we mu na se ho anye yi a na wakọ ha Mary Boadu odi John Dramani Mahama tem bitterly. Edidi Kevin Taylor tem bitterly because Kevin Taylor was speaking about Canada Japan. Mary Boadu odidi NDC atem degrade NDC to the bottom. Say Bawumia and say winning. Or call Bawumia side anye yamano no be sen call Canada Japan side. And then Mary Boadu say or ye wine ewo NDC mu. Minuanoma mu tie mie. Me pese munye masopa na mutie nia Mary Boadu eka. Muntie nia Mary Boadu eka. Na muntie na munhwe se Mary Boadu wei e na ye ka se wanya position na na.
Mane sam pobidi na enya fresh when NDC for adwene mu. Woni ma do krontia. Because me baba retire John Mahama. Osi oba retire John Dramani Mahama. We ye Mary Boadu na okasa no amanfo. Moma ye ntie. Me retire John Mahama next year. We will retire John Mahama. Me to say NDC as a political party.
Muntie.
I'm sorry. I'm out. To my membership card.
Or tete ni membership card mu.
I'm no longer a member of the NDC. Enough is enough. Me am joining here. Me am sande me hoko.
Osi ono ano joining you ono ade ne hoko. Mary Boadu opportunist. Me so ye political ono ani party members MPP for ne two ni so ye political harrot or ye political tutu okoha na nye yama na or ye greedy as hell. Yem papa John Dramani Mahama eyi obaby edi greedy woman or siso nya 1 million a master Mary Boadu does not belong or has a space ewo NDC be biara. Mary Boadu should not be even part of enkoswo ene NDC eye no omo kunye ema genuinely omo pese NDC ekọ anim NDC na oba Ghana yeye NDC na ba odwene mabunu ho odwene Ghana ho ene obitimi stop se yemehwe Mary Boadu is an opportunist or ye political tutu ono okoha okoba umia side na ye yama na no okọ Canada Japan ene NDC force sen ye wahana mo wei Canada wei bawumia aid ebe snecheye ewo wei bawumia so ene NDC for kukuru position de man is as say you love being in a company of your enemies. Mu enemy kosi san ntade NDC for omu kosi san mo ho a no ma betena mu ntam no ma asase ne mu didi afede omu nya mu wie te se de so wei yenya Samson na afede na mu kam na mu ba be beside the same people a omu be gina ho a mo mfi omu no na mu san ede adwantoa anasa mu pe campaign hwe ma me kan sem bi wa ha NDC for must stand up. Enough is enough, okay? Because yeti hana sami jemfi ekoma gara desika ye wa ha ena yes ye frefre TikTokers amwa we content creators as say this content we choose the subject when we want to create content with. So this is a content we create content. We use politics and we pick a political way party specifically and ye create content. But almost free content creators no omo gina mu edi we NDC creative content no almost there be ni oba be tweke ni oba be gina ho didi John Dramani Mahama tem e no mo ye content creators enne yesi yama Mary Boadu we a onenam ha ko ha we position what did yang atama me Toronto hanomo ya tumi din e man crofo bi mo pese bi mo chiri mi e wo Toronto hanomo. It's not as if say you have done anything because of NDC. Because of NDC into one part say one kasa with the diaspora group now muntimi en kipuno way a proper muntimi NCSA muko say ni via na mo say they have a problem no NDC for I am saying this again. You have nothing for the political groups now. Omo mami we onye juma wa brochi. Ana ya magana me emesi mu kon ho kwa te se quacks te se dogs no. Ya ma me ye gbe te se nkokon maninti no. You don't think say the people who fought with you are the same people that should work with you. They are people. Some say what you yeden. Me amete Canada ha me yeden. Ah mo kwa marry sa abayo o kan ye jimanyini sine ni bebre ba hwanenim omo boni omo ye ntihwe omo abo amre wantem enti to me no it is unfair say nkofo bi mu eba be gina ho omo play police hwe young boys hwe Canada ha ye hia mo ama yen brother baako Canada obi odi na bra bottle ho risking life ma MPP for day abapa be jam no mani moto obe organize operation save the ballot from Toronto hanomo ba Ghana e the ex-commandos eco protective ballot e ma MPP for e the ababro no ye the emergency or the ba Toronto hanomo eco da hospital for 3 days and then in the galley we are trying to get the embassy ha oba ya no belusu ni fie nso kan ho because oba na pamono me kan kire mo biomo oba ya no belusu and NDC for no they rather dine with their enemy tina bebre no we don't stick together as a group as a team inti no instead of say you be fight ya many pa baako at the time they don't want to do that inti your brother Gali is still on the street obi o won whole house mutimo den fucking mutimo asem way ehime number 1 because obi hia mo aminim enye say ope position say we Toronto Canada ya sheda so omra but NDC for team what thing inti no you rather see a stranger me say 2028 won yan kasa no mo ka kire ya na ye debunk this saying NDC MPP nye the same and this thief like this harlot like political harlot like this away greedy people no mo say Ghana Makoma in position there. Yebecha 2028. We need to see the people we know, we recognize, we work with, working with you people. Me say akoko bini kurana mo pesa mo pepa wo Ghana. Give it to the people who fought with you, not the people who goes jump ships from here and snitch on other people and bring information to you instead of say Mube ma omo bibia no na mo de omo aben mo. No American political serious institution will work with any snitch. Mum forwarded this video na nkoma omo say NDC for ni nyina ye ba be baako in the diaspora way no. Na ya make sure say NDC they recognize and respect and value the NDC diaspora group no because this is getting ridiculous. Enough is enough. Somebody I say into Misremu. Me sure say John Dramani Mahama or depending on the people he has elected and he has brought close to him to work with to do the right thing. They will not give Marie any position. May God bless you. I was for me church and Pamacho one Sabekan video, me pese ube forward the video of Kevin Taylor. Mestre forwarded Kevin Taylor when he found Kevin Taylor Braha. Mary Bwedu na matter say yes when your position no me Pamacho pese me kaka Ghana phobi. Moi